Hello everyone, I'm Kim Langen, founder of Spirit of Math and also CEO. Today I'm going to do a quick update and some important information regarding our policies for class makeups and transfers. This week I am recording from our headquarters in Toronto. So first of all, our learning management system is called Brightspace. This is a really important place for you to access because it adds a whole new realm in terms of teaching and in terms of giving you some real added value for when you're not in the classroom. There were many IT support tickets sent in this last week from parents having trouble logging in. Thank you for trying to log in. So I'm going to give you a quick review on what to do when you're trying to log in. If you do not know your login credentials for your student Brightspace account, then please contact your campus and they can help you reset your Office 365 account. Once that's reset, you use the same login information and off you go. This is the actual website for our Brightspace learning management system. Now first, I want to go through Brightspace very, very quickly. First of all, this is what you see when you do get into Brightspace. Notice at the top right here, you have your grade or the class that you're in. So for example, this is Brampton, grade 6 class, and it says that it is on Saturday at 10:45 Eastern Time, and you know you're in the right class when you see that. If this isn't the right class, or if you're taking multiple courses with Spirit of Math, click on this waffle. When you click on that waffle, what you will see is the list of different classes that you should have. If you don't see that list, you can do a search or ask your teacher for the name of your class and the code of your class. Right over here to the right of that is a little bell. And in this little bell, it's very handy if you haven't been in Brightspace before because it has little notifications in it and it tells you how to use Brightspace very, very quickly so you know how to move around here. Now down in the little box down in the right hand side, you will see lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and so on. These are for the grade 6 class, and all you have to do is click on the lesson you want to go to and you will see all the resources that are in there. This is very, very important that you know what lesson you're in so that you can listen to the right videos, and also so that you can upload any information or any material, any work that you have worked on, and the teacher will be able to mark it. It all shows in that class. So you do have to click there, and in some classes, such as a grade 6 class, you actually have to do quizzes that are counted in your overall marks too. Now, once you click on that lesson number, which is what I just did, you'll see that the bottom shows, the bottom right side, you have a little square in there, and that shows all the content for that lesson. As you can see here, the grade 6 has many videos, and the videos have been created to review the new ideas taught in each of the classes, and therefore to help you out. Many students have said that these videos have made a huge difference to them, so I encourage you to use them. Now, if you go up and click over here on grades, what will happen is you will see all the different assignments that will be handed in and graded. And this will give you a quick view on all the assignments that have been marked and those that haven't been marked, as you can see here, with all your scores. This is important so you know what's happening and you can keep on top with your child's progress. Now I'd like to talk to you about our makeup classes policy. I do want to apologize. We had too strict of a policy, and I thank all your parents who called us and said, hey, what happened this year? We do have a certain number of makeup classes that you can do free of charge that we are offering to you, and after that time we will be asking for payment for the makeup classes. This is simply because we have had too many makeup, people switching around far too much, and it has been such a huge disruption. But we would like to offer you some free, a couple free a year, and to allow you for those times when there may be something religious, or there's a hockey game or something that you need to attend, something else. So our policy is as follows. If you are unable to attend a class, this is what's called a makeup class, and you want to reschedule for the next class, grades kindergarten to grade 8, you have up to free makeup classes for the year after September, because we allowed ample makeup classes in September to allow you to find the proper routine. After the 2, you are charged a fee. For grades 9 to 11, you can do one free makeup class per month. After one free makeup class, you are charged a fee for that month. Please call your campus as soon as you know and arrange for a switch to another class that works with you within the same week so that they can get you in. Please also note that if a class is already full, then you will not be able to use that class for your switch. This is very, very important. So don't just assume because you saw it in a calendar or in a schedule somewhere that there is a class you can go to. Please contact the campus first and make sure it is okay. For the class transfers. Class transfers are when you transfer completely from one class to another and you're planning on staying there for some time. This isn't just a makeup for a week. So our policy is that one free transfer for the year after September. Again, after September, because we did allow September for switches so that you can get your routines down properly with all the other after-school programs. This is what we have offered in the past, and we'd like to bring it back and offer to you again. After your one transfer for the year, then you will be charged a fee. When you switch a class, all your marks in Brightspace, your Microsoft team, and marking are switched to a new class. Please call your campus as soon as possible to determine your options. Once again, if a class is already full, then you will not be able to transfer to that class. So call as soon as you can and find out which classes are full and which aren't so that you can choose and you can figure out what would be best for your timetable and your schedules. Now, what's coming for week 7, which is next week? I just wanted to remind you that you can sit in the classes. Please come on in. Now is the time to speak with your teachers. Take your time to find out how things are going. You need to know right away if there's something that is going really well or there's a problem. If you are in grades 1 through 4, you do need to go in and pick up your child from the class. Again, this is a wonderful time to go and speak to the teachers. We do encourage you to sit in the back of the classes, and even if you're not there for the whole time and you come in late, that's fine. Just sneak in the back quietly and sit there. It's lovely to see you all and to meet you there too. Workshops this week. I will be giving the following workshops at the campuses on Richmond Hill Central on Monday, on Tuesday, Richmond Hill North, Wednesday in Willowdale, and Thursday in Markham West. And I'll just be talking about the Spirit of Math program and how it differs from other programs and what we're really focusing on. If you would like some workshops and you would like some speakers at your campuses, please send your requests and suggestions to marketing@spiritofmath.com. And I'm hoping I can get around to many more campuses and do some workshops or just drop into the back of the classes as I have been doing during the last several weeks. So that really is it for this week. I wanted to thank you so much for listening to me once again.